Ha. So is my stream back? Is my stream back? I don't see anything. Alright, now my stream is back. That's nice. So I don't know if anyone watches this stream and hasn't watched the other stream, then I have to quickly explain what I'm doing again. I'm making a MIDI plugin that wraps every incoming note so that it stays in the sweet spot of whatever is defined by the two parameters, lower and upper limit. And now I just want to fix the parameters so that it looks a little bit nicer, and then I can finally test it. So I will use another constructor than the one that is here. Let's see. So we need the ID, the name, and then the normalizable range instead of this. Yeah. So we need the normalizable range. Choose normalizable range. This is the range now. And yeah. I want to see the interval. Yeah, right. So that's correct. I want a range that goes in full numbers intervals. So this should already be better than this. Now I can default value. Okay, the default value is still the same. Attributes. No. Parameter label. Okay. The parameter label is lower limit, just like the name. And now the category. What is the category? Choose audio processor parameter. Generic parameter. Okay, this is the category. Damn, this is getting really long, this constructor. I really don't like it. Meow. Hello, Cleo. Oh, I don't see the chat anymore. Let's change that. Okay, someone is actually around. That's nice. Okay, now it's easier to read. Great. So what's the next thing that I need to make this parameter feel very good? It is a string. Oh, let's just copy that. I don't want to look around all the time. So this is what I need. What is this? Value input. So this is value to string. Okay. Val to string for my range parameter. Maximum string length. I usually ignore that. Yeah. This just returns. Well, I do want this to be rounded. And not just casted to int, because that would be flooring. I don't like flooring. Now I want the string to value. Const auto string to value, please. Nice. And now, boom, get int value. But this has to return a float value. Okay, nice. Nice. Oh yeah, now I can use these. Val to string and string to val. Boom. Oh. Okay. I think that's all I need for making really good parameters now. Let's test this. Okay, now there's a nice little label to it. Okay, now I get what's meant with label. So this is like the unit of the parameter. Oh yeah, that reminds me. This should actually not show a number, but it would be much cooler if it showed the actual pitch value. Damn, that's going to be more complicated. That would be the value to string. Okay, whatever. Val. So first of all, starting with the value, should nicely cast it to int, and now show as pitch. Oh nice, there is a function in the Juice framework for that. Okay. Use sharps, include octave number. Octave num for middle C is 3. Yeah, whatever, let's find out. Now that looks nice. Yeah. Nice. Great. So now we got this running, and now string to value should be the opposite of that. So if someone enters a pitch name, it should be interpreted like that as well. Pass pitch, yeah. Oh, get MIDI. Oh no, there is no get MIDI node number. Oh, that would have been too nice. Come on. There must be an opposite method. MIDI node name. No. Okay, so parsing pitch values is not possible from the Juice framework, I guess. So I will have to copy my other code for that. Okay. Then I guess you will see me copy my own code again. Let me quickly search for it. You can be with me while doing that. So I go into my project, because that's my template for where I have all of the stuff. I go to architecture, and then I go to, where do I go? What was it? I'm working currently on a different project. That's why I'm a little bit confused about my old project. But I think it was in the parameter stuff, actually, not here. Yeah, that would make sense too. Okay, what do we need? String to value, right? Okay, here are the string to values, and I want the one for pitch. String to value, okay. String to value func pitch. Okay. Why does it look so simple? That can't be. Okay, I'd use the exam manager. I don't have exam manager here, but that's not what I searched for anyway. Oh no, it was value string, right? Yeah. Huh? L2 string func pitch, right? What's the note function? Where is it? Where is this defined? Oh damn! I hate searching for things on the website instead of in Visual Studio. The note func is what interprets this. But where is note func? Okay. Note. Ah, here it is. Here is my actual string to val func for pitch. So let's just copy all of that. Into here. Okay, so what do we have here? The string is being casted to lowercase, and then there is my formula parser, which I don't have in this project, so I have to skip this part of the but I can do something similar, I guess. I can check if there is any letter in the whole string, and if not, then it's being just interpreted as number, and else all of the other stuff happens. Yeah, why not? Okay. I is smaller than text length. Okay. Is letter. Oh wait. So we have the character, which is the text at I, and now what? No, I want to know if it's a letter. Bool is letter means character is bigger or equal A, or it's smaller than G. Oh yeah, it's because it's about pitch, right. Maybe I should be more specific. Is digit. Yeah, that would be better, because then I can check if it's not digit. Right. So if okay, so bool has letters, false. Has letters, true. Okay, and now at the end, if it doesn't have letters, I'm just returning whatever this value would be. To int get int value, right? But as a float, of course. Okay, and if it does have letters, then it must be one of this stuff. Now value doesn't exist because why? What would have value been otherwise? I'm confused now. I have to look it up again. Okay, value would have been the output of my formula parser. But if the formula parser is -1, then this the default value of my formula parser -1. That means that it cannot be passed. Then it outputs -1, and else it outputs the number that is in there. So if it's not a pure number, then it will be -1, and then this stuff happens. And then, oh yeah, it's just overwritten with this, which is an integer. But this is a float. That makes no sense. Okay, whatever. Int val. Great. The fuck is this? Oh, okay, it's either one of these or it doesn't work, so it returns the bass pitch. Whatever. Value increase, decrease. Here's another formula parser thing. Wait, okay, so there are different states. We get the pitch class, this seems to work. Then we get if it's flat or sharp, yeah. And then we pass the resulting value. Text substring of I should be passed. So I will now instead use get float value. The cheap way of parsing. And now whatever all this crap is, I will alright, val was an integer, but I just saw we could do all of this with integers. Now it will make sense again. Okay, if new val is -1, then return the bass pitch, and else return, and else add to value an octave for some reason. Whatever. Okay, I forgot what these edge cases are for, but they must be important for something. And at the end, I'm returning. If this wasn't returning already, then I'm returning it like this, I guess. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's type something in. Oh, the generic parameter doesn't have any type in functions. So I do have to check if it works in a DAW. Okay, what is manifest helper? I never saw that before. Well, anyway. Start, setup, build. Finally, it's time to test the plugin. Yeah, MIDI wrap. Right, I'm wrapping MIDI. Okay, now I'm in the project where I have this sound. Which is MIDI mirrored from this sound. I wanted to avoid copyright issues by flipping the MIDI or by mirroring it, so I can still use the melody in some way. However, now the bass sound with the exact same settings in MIDI mirror. The fuck? So now I need to apply my note wrap. Hey, where's my MIDI wrap? Wow. It works, yippee. Okay, cool. Now let's check the value to string, the string to value actually. D2. Boom. No, it lands on D1, okay? So what about D0? Lands on D-1, okay? So what about F sharp 1? F sharp 0. Okay, I at least I know what to change. So there is probably this weird line here. Or is it this one? Let's see. I Actually, I just want to know what's going on at this part of the code. Or is it because of this? Oh, no, I do want to find out. Okay, let's just set a breakpoint. That's even smarter than guessing what's going on. Okay, I already deactivated it, so build. Let's go. What is this? What? Uninitialized local variable used. Why uninitialized? Oh, right, because it doesn't have a default value. Okay. Come on, let's go. Alright, MIDI wrap. And now I want to set up the... Oh no. Can I select the process when it doesn't have a window? That's weird. I never had this problem. Is any of this my plugin? Oh, this might be. Okay, then let's try it something. Oh, okay, that worked. So now new val is 0. If it's -1, it is not. Then value is currently 6, and I'm adding 12 plus 0 times 12. Then we are at 18. Shit, that's not very transparent. I should have given this better names. Anyway, at the end we are at 18, and then we return 18. Okay, so at least we know it's this part of the code where it ends. Very useful. I don't wanna get too much into what's going on here, though. Oh, this could look a little bit easier. I will just try something now. I will just guess what could be done by saying, okay, I just wanna have new val times 12 instead of this, and see if that works. And if it does, I'm happy, even if it's not proof that this is the right solution. Wait, what? Oh, okay, it's still activated here. Deactivate. Now copy. Now activate. So D1. No, that's even deeper. Okay, so I need to go into the other direction for some reason. Adding 24 to it. Don't ask me why. What is this, by the way? If value is lower than 0? Okay, this is an edge case, it can't happen here, but let's just keep it in. I remember that was for a different plugin where I could actually tweak a MIDI node to be below or above the limits. So F1, boom, and we have F1. A, B, yeah, G sharp 0. Okay, that looks nice. Also apply it to the chords. Let's see if that works. Oh, we still need to copy the MIDI mirror. Nice, nice, nice. Copy both plugins to the arpeggiator. This one is going to be... Should I apply the effects after or before the arpeggiator? I will try both. Wait, how can it even work when both of these are on the same value? That makes no sense. And it makes even less sense when they are flipped. Why does it still make something reasonable? Okay, whatever. I just put them before the arpeggiator and see if it sounds different. Nice. Okay. Okay, I would say this plugin is definitely finished. I will now export a release version of this, and yeah, if you want to have it, then come to my Discord, then, because I will throw it in there. Will not be an official release because it's just a little GUI-less plugin, but a nice little tool that you can use if you like such stuff. See you.